My role's really varied. I have a joint role, service director and responsible individual. So as service director, my role involves ensuring that we deliver really high quality service to the families we support. The next part, I suppose, then is responsible individual, which is looking at the regulatory side of the service, making sure that we are safe and that our staff team feel well supported, and I really do that alongside our manager.
So I nominated Lauren for this award because she's trusted by the whole staff team. She's kind, thoughtful, passionate. She leads by example, and her commitment, her hard work, her dedication is just truly inspirational to the team.
One thing I love most about my job, seeing the changes that families make, to actually see them come in maybe on admission, whereby they've got no confidence or have lost trust in professionals, and working with us intensively for 14 weeks, we're able to see them blossom and be able to make the changes that are really needed for their child to stay with them, hopefully.
She has time for everyone. She has the patience of a saint. She's able to give advice on anything. Whenever I struggle in work, Lauren will be the person that I go to.